بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Allah's name to commence with, the most gracious, the most merciful.
والضحى
By the oath of the forenoon,
والليل إذا سجى
and by the night when it covers.
ما ودعك ربك وما قلى
That your Lord has neither abandoned you, O beloved, nor did He dislike you.
وللآخرة خير لك من الأولى
And indeed the latter is better for you than the former.
ولسوف يعطيك ربك فترضى
And indeed it is close that your Lord will give you so much that you will be pleased.
ألم يجدك يتيما فآوى
Did He not find you, O beloved, as an orphan, then provided you with a place?
ووجدك ضالا فهدى
And He found you profoundly engrossed in His love, so He gave you a way towards Himself, i.e., towards His closeness.
ووجدك عائلا فأغنى
And found you in need, then made you prosperous.
فأما اليتيم فلا تقهر
Therefore, do not put pressure on an orphan.
وأما السائل فلا تنهر
And do not scold a beggar.
وأما بنعمة ربك فحدث
And publicize well the bounty of your Lord.
صدق الله العظيم.